Welcome to Lazy Days. Today we're looking at the 2014 Work and Play Ultra. Starting at the front, we have a master bedroom with ample cabinet space over the bed. Moving back from the master bedroom, there's a large linen closet. Then you go into the bathroom and there's a glass enclosed shower, porcelain toilet, and vanity sink. Moving back from the bathroom, we enter the kitchen. It has a large double sink with high-rise faucet, convection microwave, 3-burner cooktop, large Dometic double-door fridge and freezer, large flat-screen television with built-in stereo. Moving back from the kitchen area is the garage section. This area has a fold-up dinette that can sleep to, as well as a jackknife sofa that can sleep to. The floor of the garage is a non-skid, slip-resistant floor with ample tie-downs. Starting at the front, we have a generator tray as well as a fiberglass front cap. We have ample diamond plate all the way around the coach. On the back we have the ramp. Moving to the patio side, we have a power awning. We also have marine grade patio speakers. Thank you for touring the 2014 Work and Play Ultra. If you have any questions about this unit or any others, feel free to call us at Lazy Days.